If your ink ribbon breaks at an event, don't freak out and don't throw it away. We're gonna show you how to save it. First step is you're gonna open up your main printer component, removing that ink ribbon roll from the printer itself. When you take it out, make sure you set it on a nice flat surface. Remove both sections of the ink ribbon from the holder, pulling out a little bit of ink and setting it on top of each other like a sandwich. You're gonna take your smaller roll and roll it forward, catching your broken ribbon in the middle. Once you believe it's secure, go ahead and put it back into your holder, giving one extra roll to make sure that it's tight. Now that it's secure, go ahead and place it back into your printer and make sure you close the door, and you should be able to reprint from your last photo setting. And that's it.